Hi, business owners, entrepreneurs, investors globally. Once again, welcome to Lisbon. I'm just giving you some updates from Lisbon as we are getting closer to our summit date on the 15th of February 2024, and it's not far. It's just here in the Intercontinental Hotel. I'm reporting from Marques Pombal at the moment, and it's a sunny, shiny day in Lisbon. Fantastic weather. And I'm looking forward to see you in Lisbon on the 15th of February or earlier. We have got a tremendous amount of response from all our friends, and I'm very glad to inform you that there will be a number of governments that will be joining with their tremendous amount of projects, prospective projects, and interesting projects. Like the government of Guyana will be joining. The government of Ghana, GIPC, just confirmed yesterday that they are coming, and Mr. Grant, Yofi Grant, the CEO of GIPC, will be offering tremendous amount of projects that are available in Ghana, in West Africa, and we are expecting few more dignitaries from different countries, in addition to our business owners and project owners from all around the world. So far we got the confirmation from 45 countries. Our friends are coming from all around the world, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to welcome you in Lisbon once again. Thank you very much.